What's up, guys? Alright, so we are back with another review video for you guys. Today we do have the protein patties from Trader Joe's, as well as the brand new vegan mac.
Macadocious.
Alright,
Share
so
the ingredients.
the ingredients, not too many, just a little.
Just a little.
Then we got the ingredients for the vegan mac. Can't say it's just a little for that though.
Dang.
That's a lot.
It's an essay.
It better taste good for all these ingredients. I'm
The
just
kids
saying.
tasted it in the car.
We'll keep that under wraps though. All right, so what we're planning to do with the burger today is we're just gonna taste it plain Jane. I'm not gonna put any toppings on it.
Probably just some mayo.
Just some mayo, some ketchup. That's about it. Bread, bun. And we also want to put the mac on it. Maybe have like a mac burger. Right?
Mac burger.
Like a little Daddy Mac burger.
Daddy Mac.
Yes, Daddy Mac burger. I like that. All right, so let's get to cooking. I think we're gonna throw it in the air fryer as opposed to doing it on the stove.
Let's do one air fryer, one stove.
We can do that.
Yeah.
We can do that. All right, let's do that. So I'm about to open this bad boy up right now. See if it smells weird or kosher. It is a little hard to open.
Just so you guys know, it says interior of patty will still be pink when fully cooked.
Interesting.
And those are the stovetop instructions.
Interesting. That beet juice is pretty strong on there.
Yeah.
I can smell it a little bit. It does smell a little bit like Beyond. It doesn't look like Beyond too much, but it does smell like it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and throw that on there.
It says 3 minutes on each side.
3 minutes on each side, okay. On medium heat? Yeah, medium heat. All right, so I guess we'll come back to this. All right, guys, so that is how it looks after it is done. I did put a little bit of seasoning on it, so that is the little black dots around there with the seasoning. Now I'm gonna put it on the bun. It is still a little on the pink side.
But they said.
They said that's what it's gonna do. They said.
They said.
Everybody said.
What, see? You want to be in the video?
This smells a lot like Beyond.
Yeah, it does.
Pretty crazy. All right. So that's that. That's the burger right there.
No frills.
No frills, man. No
You're
frills.
gonna do the sample now, or you're gonna get the other one?
Let me get the other one. Let me get the other one and show you guys how that one looks. I actually took a little peek of it. It does cook a little bit better in the air fryer. So
as usual, everything does.
As usual, everything's better in the air
does.
fryer, but everybody says.
Everybody sees.
All right, so this is the one out of the air fryer.
Yeah.
I put barbecue sauce on this one, but as you can see, it is a little more brown when you do it in the air fryer. This too is no frills.
But we do have some suggestions. We're gonna put suggestions for our favorite vegan cheeses over here on the
Yes.
side, right over here.
Yes. I don't know where you put it.
I'm gonna cut them in half, show them what it looks like.
Yeah, let me cut it in half. Show you what the stove one looks like, what you can expect if you don't have an air fryer.
That's a lot more red than like Beyond and stuff, no?
It is, but Beyond also cooks a lot through.
All the way through.
Yeah, the Beyond burger though, it cooks all the way through, so I guess it's a work in progress.
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and taste it though. All right, so I'm gonna try it now, see what this tastes like. You ready?
Yeah. I don't like how it smells.
It needs more flavor.
So that's a seasoning problem. You mean the actual burger itself?
The burger
ingredients?
itself, the ingredients. Like with a Beyond burger, you can throw that bad boy on the stove and it tastes great.
Yeah.
This, it's getting there. It's a hint of that burgery taste, but it needs a little bit more seasoning to it.
Is it very bready as a consistency?
No. It does have a really good consistency. You know what? The consistency is similar to Meatless Farms.
Okay.
Right? Similar to that, but a little in between. So it's like a little mix of Meatless Farms and a little mix of Beyond Burger.
Okay.
Oh, I kind of like it. I also like that it's cheaper.
He mainly likes that it's cheaper. Like, let's be honest here.
I like that it's cheaper. So I'm gonna taste the one now that was made in the air fryer to see if that is better. As you guys can see, it did cook a little bit more through.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot less juicy.
It's a lot less juicy and a lot less pink. And I put barbecue sauce on this one. All right, so let's try this out, see how it tastes. Ooh.
Yeah, it was like steaming.
Similar thing though. Needs like some salt on it. Or some more seasoning on it.
So you think if you seasoned it better, you would enjoy the experience?
I think if I put more seasoning, because I did put some seasoning on it, but I think if I put some Lawry's or some seasoning salt on it, it would like bring out the flavor a little bit more.
But we always try to compare it to Beyond because you don't have to add anything.
Exactly.
Right?
We try not to add any seasoning to it just to get the full taste of what they tried to do with the burger.
Yeah, because everybody's coming for Beyond, so.
It's getting there though. It's not a bad tasting burger. It's actually a little bit better with the barbecue sauce.
Yeah, we'll have the kids taste it too.
Yeah. All right, so let's move on to the mac and cheese.
All right.
All right, so this is what this looks like when you first open it. As we told you earlier, the kids did try some. So, they were not fans of it.
It looks very thick.
It does. Kind of looks like soup.
Yeah. A lot of people, we posted on Instagram, follow us on Instagram. We posted it on Instagram, and we saw when Veg News posted it, people were saying it looked soupy.
Yeah.
It doesn't look soupy, it's just very thick.
It's very thick and creamy.
It smells okay, though.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and heat this bad boy up. All right, so I'm just going to I'm not going to put a lot. I just want to taste it.
I want to taste it, too.
You want to taste it, too?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we left this about 4 to 5 minutes. I think it's ready.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead and put that in there. I mean, it kind of looks like creamy mac and cheese.
Yeah. Granted, the kids tasted it cold. I tasted it a little cold, and I was not a fan. That's just not. It's not what I think of when I think of mac and cheese.
I hear you. I can smell the nutritional yeast, so this should be interesting. All right. It's pretty hot.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna try this out. See what this is hitting for. All right.
No.
That's not mac and cheese.
That's not mac and cheese. Let me taste it.
It kind of tastes like soup.
Wow.
Kind of like a creamy chicken soup. It tastes like unseasoned chicken soup.
What? Why do we need this?
I don't taste. There's nothing that reminds you of cheese in
For
this.
all the ingredients in there,
Yeah.
for it to not really taste like anything.
There's about like 60 ingredients in there, and honestly, it just tastes like unseasoned soup.
Wow.
Like unseasoned chicken noodle soup.
I could see putting a ton more vegetables with this, and it tasted like.
And
but we can
and like maybe
nutritionally
topping
with
it
actual cheese.
topping it
Here's
with some
the
diet
thing:
cheese
we
or
can
some,
do this with regular just pasta and cheese on its own.
Exactly.
No.
For the price, it's about $4.49 at our Trader Joe's. For the price, you can literally go ahead and buy yourself some diet shreds or some 365 shreds, and you can make your own mac and cheese very easily.
Yeah, we'll put our recommendations.
Yeah.
This tastes like potato soup.
It tastes like soup. That's what it tastes like. For all the ingredients that's in it, it tastes like soup.
If you told me this was potato soup, I'd be like, oh.
Just needs a little more salt.
Yeah, you need some seasonings.
A little salt.
Yeah, guys, bottom line, I would not waste my money on that. No. That's a tasty something, but it's not vegan mac and cheese.
It needs more flavor, it just needs a little more salt. And it's not mac and cheese. That's
not what I think of. Yeah.
It's a good soup.
It's a nice thick hearty like potato soup.
Yep.
And I'm sure if you add nutritional yeast or like Like it has like a good mouth feel. It has like a filling feel that I like.
Yeah.
Maybe put some chunks of chicken in there. But again, if we're already starting at $4,
Stupid.
we're already starting at $4. Like.
Yeah, I don't know, man. It's not disgusting, but it's not mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks so much for watching this, guys.
Thanks so much. I was gonna put it on a burger, make a mac and cheese burger, but this is not mac and cheese.
It's not worth it.
I don't want a soup burger.
Yeah. Yeah. It's something though.
It's something. They got something there. They got something there, but just label it like potato soup, German potato soup.
German fingerling.
German fingerling. All right, guys. So appreciate you guys watching this.
We're almost to 7K subscribers.
Almost to 7K. Tell your friends, tell your kids, tell your wife.
Yeah.
Everybody's subscribing out here. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, the people voted. They said they want easy vegan meal ideas. Yes, we have that video coming up. So don't forget to tune in. Hit that notification button.
And also budget vegan grocery haul.
Budget vegan grocery haul for you guys that are trying to transition and don't want to spend too much money.
Yes.
We got that coming for you. And as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk. And zip up your coat.
Drink your almond milk. Zip up your coat. Drink your almond milk. Zip up your coat. Oh my God, I can't even do it.